Hello, my name is Abri, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an assignment in Storyboard that. Starting at our teacher dashboard page, we'll navigate to the left-hand bar and click Assignments. Then we'll click Create Assignment. Once you name your assignment, click Create Assignment, and you'll be taken to the Edit Assignment page. Here you can add instructions, templates, or examples, both of which you can add from your own storyboards. You can create brand new, or you can add from our extensive lesson plans library. And you can make your own rubric. You can also check this box next to allow students to collaborate to let your students work on the same storyboard simultaneously. Once you're ready to post, click the checkbox next to the class you'd like to assign it to. And then click Post. That's all. Thank you for watching and happy storyboarding.